Good afternoon. This is Richard here, American Limousine Sales. And today here I'm showing you a 2013 black 70-inch Chrysler 300 custom stretch limousine that is for sale at AmericanLimousineSales.com. All you got to do is visit our website, AmericanLimousineSales.com. We have easy financing. We have over 50 vehicles ready to ship anywhere in the world. And this one here, actually, we had to do a little bit of touch-up work on it to clean it up, make it nice. So we do spend money on these vehicles, guys. We don't just get them in and then try and resell them as is. We try and fix them up and make them nice, so which is what we did here. So you can see it's got chrome factory Chrysler 300 wheels, OEM wheels. It's got the HID headlights, the chrome grille, and from you can tell that the AC condenser fan is kind of loud and powerful, but that's a good thing because when you're sitting in the back and it's hot and you got the AC on and it's blowing cold air, you're going to be happy for that. So there's the driver's compartment. It's a factory driver's compartment, standard leather. Everything is in good shape. The interior is in good shape. There's no dents or dings or scratches on the body. It's got a cloth fabric top. It's got the upgraded suspension, dual batteries and dual alternators, heavy duty air conditioning and heating. Over here is the coach builder sticker, which is going to be hard to get better focus on it, but there you go. It's let's see here, so November 2013 it was built. It meets all the requirements for federal motor vehicle safety standards. So you can tell it's a qualified builder, qualified stretch. And the mileage here is let's see here, 108,811, so about 109,000 miles. It's got the touchscreen control panel here in the driver's compartment to control the TV, stereo, air conditioning, lighting, privacy partition. You got the heads-up display here in the driver's cabin. It does have heated seats, Bluetooth capabilities. I believe it may have satellite radio antenna, so you just got to activate it so the driver can have satellite radio up in front. Let's go ahead and keep looking around here. So one of the things I noticed, I don't know if you guys can see this in the video or not, but it is a little bit longer in the back here. So I was kind of looking at this and like, okay, this is a double cut then, because there's a secondary cut, not just here, but here. So it's a little bit longer. I'm assuming they did that for trunk space. That's my assumption, and we'll look at that in a moment. Let's go ahead and sit inside this bad boy and let's see what we're working with. So I've got a single DIN stereo here that it looks like it can play DVDs, CDs, data disc, and it has a USB port right there. Well, it's kind of hard to see, it's all black. So auxiliary input, USB port. It's a Boss stereo, flip down single DIN radio. And if I go to the home menu, so it's got, you know, some other options there you can play with. I won't really get into the details. I'll probably have to send you some info on this make and model of this unit so you can see what other features and abilities it has. But if you look at the front, one thing I noticed immediately right away, it's got this beautiful brushed aluminum style surface on the privacy divider. And you see the two speakers there. One of them is missing the cover for it, which is it's a kicker. So it's a good brand of speaker. So the sound is really good. And the brushed aluminum, I mean, I really love that look. It's not only is it durable, it lasts long, but it looks great. And not too easy to scratch it or mess it up. You know, it's pretty much just really easy to keep clean. But let's go ahead and keep taking a look around. I look at the black seats, black upholstery with the diamond stitch, and it's got the curved foam on the edges to create more comfort for the upper back and the lower thighs when you sit down. So, and I noticed that they didn't put any separation in the seats, so you can get, you know, really you can get 3 people in there if you had to. So you can get 3 people in there. 2 people's comfortable, but 3 if you had to. And then if you look on the bar area, it's got brushed aluminum as well on the surface, so that's really nice. It looks really upscale, really modern, and I like it. And it's also got a stainless steel champagne bucket there, and it's got a couple of round bottle holders. I assume that you could probably put some kind of champagne bottle, wine bottle, something like that. Decanters, cup holders, more cup holders up here, and then it's got the white marbleized surface on the top surface. You got LED lights in the bar area, and over here as well, similar situation. What I really like about this bar, though, it's something very that you don't see too often, very special, and it's carbon fiber molded bar. It's very cool. It lasts long, it looks great, and it really looks modern. So it ties everything together, looks good. Carpet finish on the flooring, nothing fancy there, just standard carpet. The rear seat has got plenty of room, 3-point seat belts. You got charging ports here behind the seats, so people can plug in their devices and charge them. So that's good. You got that. I guess that pretty much covers it. I mean, I does see stainless steel on the backing there. It's kind of nice. There's no real starlights up here on the ceiling, but it's got the stainless steel and acrylic LED lighting. You got, you know, multiple levels of it, stainless steel, then suede, and then suede on the headliner in the back, and your control panels back here for all the controls and stuff. So it's pretty laid out, very, very nice. I would say it's well appointed, and it's a great buy. I mean, it's a 2013, good price, low price, mileage is good, runs good. It looks like they enhanced the rear suspension for airbags. It feels like it when I drove it. And I got to tell you guys, when I hopped in it and drove it, I didn't feel any lag or any shifting in the transmission. It feels really good, drives really smooth. You're welcome to come by and check it out anytime. Again, this is Richard with American Limousine Sales. I know this is a little bit of a longer video, but it was a lot of materials here to describe to you guys and tell you about it, because I try and be as descriptive and informative as possible in my videos. So if you like what you see and you'd like some information, give us a call, send us a text, 323-209-8510. This is Richard, and website is American Limousine Sales. I look forward to hearing from you soon. Have a great day.